there's a few things that I wanted to let you know. As you know, we're going to be covering 6 chapters. In every chapter, you're going to be required to complete online homework, a writing assignment, and an oral assignment. As you are completing the assignments, it is extremely important that you are paying attention, that you take notes, and you reflect on the material that you're learning. Language is about practice, so it is very important that you practice every day on the super site. When you are done with the chapter, I am going to put on the website a self-check handout that will help you and guide you to make sure that you are on the right track. For example, here we have chapter 1. In chapter 1, we are going to familiarize ourselves with masculine and feminine words. So if we are talking about masculine and feminine words, we need to think in terms of if a word is masculine, if it ends in o, ma, es, and ista. If a word is feminine, it ends in a, ora, sion, dal, ista. What happens if it ends in e? Then what do? That's in the book. We also have to remember that there are some exceptions to that rule. What are they? Look it up. Now, the second thing that you need to do is to know numbers. Not only do you need to know how to write them, but you also need to know how to say them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pronouns. What are pronouns? Yo, tú, él for he, ella, usted for the you formal, nosotros or nosotras, vosotros or vosotras, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Got it? Now, in order for us to conjugate verbs, we need to know pronouns. So that is extremely important. The first verb you're going to see in chapter 1 is the verb to be. But to be branches into 2 verbs in Spanish, ser and estar. We are going to start with ser. The verb ser, which means to be, is going to be conjugated to yo soy, tú eres, él es, somos, sois, son. Got it? Muy bien. The last thing that we're going to do is the most important one, because not only do I need you to know how to write, but I also need you to know how to speak. So, if I say to you, hola, what are you supposed to say? That's right, you're supposed to say hola back. And if I say, ¿cómo estás? What do you say? ¿Cómo está? Bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? Why did you say y usted? Because you're addressing your professor, which is in a formal way. Got it? Muy bien. What if I say, adiós? Then you can say, adiós. If you're going to see me later, you can say, hasta luego, hasta pronto, hasta mañana. Got it? Muy bien. Now, you need to make sure that you review this and you practice, because then you and I, we're going to have an oral interaction, either by you videotaping something for me, or we're going to do it where you videotape and send something to me, or you're going to record something for me. It will vary in style, but you gotta be ready. Muy bien. I'll see you in chapter 2.